Hey friends, how are ya? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is a good old haul video. It's been a really long time since I've done a haul video, and I have a few things that I purchased from TJ Maxx. So probably the walkthrough video is already up. I went to a different TJ Maxx than the one I did the previous walkthrough video at, so this is a different one, so you'll get to see some different bags and stuff. But I did pick up a bag so I have one to show you here, and just a few other things, some beauty type related things. So let's go ahead and get into it. So it's in this big bag. It's not a ton of stuff, but the purse is a little big. I'm gonna get to that last. First is this 5-in-1 face cream. This is from First Aid Beauty, and I was needing a SPF. I'd run out of mine. So this was $14.99, which is a pretty good price, I think, for First Aid Beauty. And this is an SPF 30. So it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. And I did look at the expiration date, and it's not until like 2023, I think it is. So this is what it looks like. And there is a pump in there. I don't think it's, well, it's 1.7 ounces. So maybe that's the regular size, but I feel like I've gotten bigger sizes of SPF, but I did actually use this. This is the only thing that I've used so far from this haul. I used it yesterday, and it's okay, I think. I don't hate it. I feel like there was a tinge, bit of a smell that I didn't like, but I think it's because it's just unscented. So this is safe for sensitive skin, so these don't have any types of scents or anything in it. But I think I'm gonna like it. I like that it's an SPF 30. I like that it is SPF 30 because I never go lower than a 30, in which you shouldn't go lower than a 30. So I think it'll be a good one. And because I needed SPF, I actually found this one first and then found the First Aid Beauty. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to get both of them. This is Neutrogena, and this was on clearance probably because of the box. It's just a little messed up. It was only $6, and it's an SPF 50 broad spectrum. And that's what it looks like. This one's also 1.7 ounces, fluid ounces. So we'll see. I usually like Neutrogena products, so I'll probably use these kind of interchangeably. Next, I got this for my daughter. She doesn't watch my videos, I don't think, so she's not going to see it. But then I started thinking, have I already gotten this for her? For some reason, I started thinking about it later, and I was thinking that it looked familiar. She loves hedgehogs, and it says cute but prickly. It's a Ray Dunn. It's a 1X and a 10X magnifying mirror. So it was only $4.99. But I just thought that was really cute, so I got that for her. And the last thing I got, besides the purse, is just an e.l.f. It's a, I actually just threw mine away, which I'd had it forever. So it was definitely, it had gone bad. It didn't smell right. This is the Gel and Powder Eyebrow Kit. It was $2.99, and this is in the color light. The one that I had was in the color dark, and I'm trying to go, you know, here and there with the different hair that I have and stuff. I try to go a little bit lighter because my brows are actually really dark. So that's why I got this color. Let me take it out and see. So like I said, I have had this before. This one over here, I think that's a wax, and then that's the powder. So if I'm remembering correctly, you put on the wax and then you put the powder on. So it does look pretty light, but if there are times that I want to lighten up my brows, which is sometimes, this will be perfect. Okay, just an interruption here. I actually just got back from TJ Maxx again. So I went to a different store than the one I went to with the things that you just saw. I'm still going to show you one of the things that I got, so stay tuned for that. It's a bag. But I just wanted to show you the things that I got just now. Now, this is probably the thumbnail you're going to see, but I had to get this bag. It was 99 cents. Look how cute. I think it's the same on both sides. Pretty much anything that is London, like, I'm there for it. So I was really excited to see this. But let me show you. Okay, it's kind of random that I got one pillow, but I actually got this because I got the exact same one when I was there a couple of months ago, and I love this pillow. I love it for the couch. It's super soft and just fluffy. It's not that hard fiber fill stuff, and it's not feathers that are just like flat. It's just super, super soft. I love it. I think it was $30. Yeah, $29.99. Pretty much when you go to TJ Maxx, everything that you get is just random and no difference. It's no different here. Random stuff. I got this little cotton swab holder, Q-tip holder. I like that it's kind of like a toothpick holder. In a way, it has the little thing where they come out right there. I was telling my sister that I just leave mine in the Q-tip box. So it'd be nice just to have them in a cute little thing like that. Also, I thought these were really neat, and I'm always needing them. This is a Condiments on the go little package of 3, and it's just little little containers. So if you want to put like salad dressing or something like that, really cute, right? Salad dressing, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, whatever. And I thought this would be really handy for when we take our lunch to work. Another super random thing, but my husband said he needed one the other day. He was washing my car, and there were some paint chips on my car, and he was looking for this, and we thought we had one, but we don't. So we got a repair kit for scratches, wear marks, cracks, gouges, nail holes on household services. I think that you can use this on cars, hopefully so. If not, we won't. It's just a little touch-up marker, and there are 3 colors, the black, gray, and I'm not sure, it's not white, it's like a little bit of a lighter gray. This was only $5.99, so good deal for that. And then we got this Revlon. It's a pore cleaning tool, which I try not to do that too much with my own face. I really only get, I feel like some blackheads like through here. I don't break out too much, but it'll be handy to have. And then the last thing on this shopping trip for today is this Supergoop CC cream. It's 100% mineral CC cream, and you'll have already seen the other 2 SPFs that I got, but this one has color to it. I'm not sure how the color is going to be, but the color is 100C, which probably is like the lightest color. So it's pretty light, as you can see there. But I have the Supergoop glow screen, I think is what it's called. Actually, I have it on today, but I have the Saint makeup over it. But I like that, so I definitely was wanting to try some more Supergoop stuff, and I think that was, let's see, how much was this? $12.99, and it doesn't expire until September, so I think that was a good deal. All right, let's go back to what I got several days ago, and you'll see the bag that I got. I bet this is what you came to see. I got a Patricia Nash bag. Now, they had a ton of Patricia Nash there. I was really surprised, so be sure and check out the video if you haven't already. If you know me, you know that I love like the doctor bag, like the barrel bag. I love these bags. I have a ton of them. I have 3 Doonies that are in this shape. I have a Louis Vuitton, 2 Louis Vuittons that are in this shape. I have Coach that's in this shape. Like, I just love this shape. I think it's very just kind of functional in a way, and it's just an easy carry. You know me also, and you know that I like to have 2 ways to carry. So it does have the handles here, and then the adjustable strap. It has side pockets for your phone, keys, whatever, which I love. There are feet on the bottom. Of course, it smells awesome. It has a double zipper on the top, so one here, one here. It's packaged very nicely. It does have the dust bag in there, and with that really nice Patricia Nash lining. I can do a what's in my bag and what fits in here if you want, so just let me know. I don't want to take up your time here. This is just a really quick haul, but just in case you're wondering, this is the Skye satchel. I'll be sure and list it below. It's in the color tan. I did get this one for $99, and it retails for $269. The only thing I found on it was this little scratch right here. I have a feeling that will probably buff out. If I mess with it enough, it'll buff out. And, you know, I thought about asking them if I could get a % off because of it, because a lot of times they'll do like a 10% off or whatever if something is wrong with the product, but they won't let you return it. I don't think I'm going to return the bag, but I like to have the option just in case. You know, if I put my stuff in here and there's just something wrong with it, then I do like to have the option. So I thought, you know what, for probably 10%, which is like $10, I'm not going to risk it. But it doesn't bother me at all. But smells wonderful. It's not a super heavy bag, which is nice. You know, it has all the stuff in it, and it's still not super heavy. But yeah, I will do a what's in my bag if you want me to. So be sure and let me know down below. Check down below too. I will link these products if I can. Also, if you're wondering about my hair, this is Main Attraction Seduction, I think is what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's Seduction, and I'm pretty sure it's in the color Chestnut. If that's not right, I'll put it right here, but I'm pretty sure it's in the color Chestnut. I did wear this out one day. I had it pinned back. It does have a lot of permatease. So if permatease isn't your thing, this might not be your hair, but I think it's super cute in a really wearable style. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.